Hello, Jane Cleland here to talk about Mystery Mastermind online workshops. 5 people, 6 sessions every 2 weeks, unless there's a holiday, in which case we may skip a week. And we work together to raise our writing to the next level. Here's how it works. We start by debriefing the previous week's assignment. Then each person gets 20 minutes all for you. You can read pages or ask me to read pages. Sometimes people have asked a question about a plot or how to make a sleuth kinder, how to use humor. Whatever you want to do with your 20 minutes is fine with me. And we're all going to work together to help you to get your questions answered. Then I'll deliver a little lecturette that moves us into our new topic, that moves into the next assignment, and I'll end with a quote that I hope gets you thinking. That's it. We work together to raise the bar on our writing. If it sounds like it would be good for you, a good fit, I welcome you. It would be a pleasure to work with you.